Good afternoon, everyone. We are going to learn an interesting topic today. This topic is called simple compound complex sentences. It is also called synthesis of sentences. So, in case you have this topic in your school teacher might call it as simple compound complex sentences or types of sentences, or they might also name it as synthesis of sentences. Whatever it is, this is what it is. Okay. So, I think we are done with a grammar topic called non-finite and finite verbs, aren't we? Aren't we done with finite and non-finite? Yes, right. So we will just revise that once and then we will go on. You will not write while I'm teaching. I will tell you when to write and what to write. Okay. So do not write. I will give you enough time and that's when you will write stuff. Let us first revise our finite verbs and non-finite verbs. Okay. On becoming famous, CID started to take international cases. Quickly tell me the verbs in the sentence. Quickly tell me the verbs in the sentence. Answer in the chat. So there are three verbs. Okay, there are three verbs: becoming, started, and to take. And some students still do not understand something that is very easy to understand. I just mentioned you will message me on the Adyan tutorials profile, and they are still messaging me on the other profile. And there is someone called Harsh जिसका वीडियो ऑन है, मैं उनको निकाल रहा हूँ. All right. On becoming famous, CID started to take international cases. All right. Now let us understand. Let us understand which of these verbs are finite and which one is non-finite. So tell me, what do you think about becoming? Is becoming finite or non-finite? Okay. Some students say it is finite. Some say it is non-finite. And that is why I think it is extremely important for you people to go and revisit the recording of non-finite verbs, because after doing it recently, if we still are not able to answer correctly, then it is completely your responsibility to go revisit the lectures, the recording, and practice a little and then come back, right? All right. So a verb plus ing without am, is, are, was, were. A verb plus ing without am, is, are, was, were is always going to be non-finite. Okay, is always going to be non-finite. Just give me a moment, everyone. Nirmit Kohli, goodbye. Okay, Nirmit Kohli had put his video on, so I straight away put him out. All right, and then we have started and to take. Started is a verb that shows tense. आपको पढ़ाया गया था finite verbs and non-finite verbs, जिसमें बोला गया था a finite verb shows tense, present, past, future, और उसके पहले एक subject होता है. जैसे कि started के पहले subject है CID, तो वो होता है finite verbs. Okay, and a sentence that does not show a tense, does not show present, past, future tense, is a non-finite verb. And becoming, the verb becoming does not show tense. कोई tense नहीं दिखा रहा वो, और उसके पहले कोई subject भी नहीं है, इसीलिए becoming is going to be non-finite verb. All right, and to take is an infinitive, that is 2 plus verb. So even this is going to be non-finite. So what is a finite verb? A finite verb is a verb that shows tense and that also has a subject before it. Okay, shows tense and also has a subject before it. All right, I request all of you to note this down. जो आपको दिख रहा है स्क्रीन पर, मैं चाहता हूँ आप नोट करें. And once you've noted it, please raise your hands. Okay, I think enough time has been given to all students who haven't finished it yet. You will visit the recording and do it then. All right. Now let us see these things. All right. After reaching America, Abhijit saw ACP Pradyuman. After reaching America, Abhijit saw ACP Pradyuman. I request someone who wishes to try and answer this sentence can put their hands up. Anybody who wishes to answer this sentence can put their hands up. Okay, Jay Keluskar from Ghatkopar.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, Jay. Jay, tell me what are the verbs in the sentence?
Sir, reaching and saw.
Reaching and saw. Okay, that is absolutely correct. Now tell me whether reaching is finite or non-finite.
Sir, non-finite.
Okay, why do you think it is non-finite, Jay?
Because it does not have subject, sir.
Very good, very good. And what about the other verb saw?
Sir, it has subject Abhijit.
Okay, so what is it, finite or non-finite?
Finite.
So Jay, tell me ये पूरे sentence में कितने finite verb है हमारे पास?
Only one.
Only one. That is absolutely correct, Jay. That is absolutely correct. Okay. So in this sentence, we have only one finite verb, and the sentence with one finite verb is a simple sentence. Always remember, अगर आपको एक ही finite verb दिख रहा है पूरे sentence में, that one verb is your finite verb, and that one sentence with one finite verb is a simple sentence. All right. Putting all your hands down, who wants to answer the second one? Raise your hands first. Okay. तो घाटकोपर से एक हो गया. Let us go to Honey from Devidayal.
हेलो सर. हेलो सर.
हाँ हनी बेटा आवाज आ रहा है? Can you hear me?
हाँ सर.
अच्छा Honey, tell me what are the verbs that you see in this sentence?
Called and came.
Called and came. Okay, now tell me, called is a finite verb or a non-finite verb?
Finite verb.
Why?
सर क्योंकि उसके आगे एक सब्जेक्ट है अभिजीत.
Okay, and what about came?
सर came is also finite verb.
Okay, because उसके आगे भी एक subject है दया. Right?
दया. Yes sir.
So how many finite verbs do I have in the sentence?
2.
Okay, do you see a word in this sentence that is connecting two sentences and making it one?
And.
Okay, can I say it's a conjunction?
Yes.
Okay, so a sentence with two finite verbs and a coordinating conjunction is a compound sentence. That is absolutely correct, Honey. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
mute yourself.
Thank you sir.
Right. Everyone, so two finite verbs plus a coordinator is a compound sentence. Do not worry, you will get the list of coordinators once we move further. Okay, as of now, let us understand एक सिंपल सेंटेंस में सिर्फ एक फाइनाइट वर्ब होगा, कोई कोऑर्डिनेटर नहीं होगा, बट एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में you will have 2 finite verbs and 1 coordinator. Okay, now raise your hands if you want to try and answer the third one. Okay, let us go with Vikroli. Gatha from
Yes,
Vikroli.
sir. Sir, the two verbs
Verbs.
are. So can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Tell me the verbs in the sentence.
Yes. The verbs are meet and scratch.
I see one more verb actually, Gatha.
Think.
To think. Acha, so we have 3 verbs here. Now tell me,
Yes.
meet क्या है? Finite, non-finite.
Non-finite.
Why, beta?
Yes.
Why is meet non-finite?
Sir. No, sir, it is a finite.
What about to think?
It is one subject. To think is not finite and scratch is a finite.
Right. So how many finite verbs do we have?
2.
Okay. Now in this sentence also we have a conjunction, Gatha. Can you identify what conjunction do you see?
For.
No. Okay. कोई बात नहीं. ये थोड़ा सा tricky है. Thank you so much, Gatha. I'll tell you the answer.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, everyone. All right. So the conjunction over here is when, but it is not a coordinating conjunction. Sorry, everyone. This is a subordinating conjunction and we call it as a subordinator. So a sentence with 2 finite verbs and a subordinator is a complex sentence. Okay. So you will get the list of subordinators also. All right. Now I do not write anything right now. Okay. I'll tell you when to write. Now I want to ask certain questions. You will listen to me and then you will raise your hand. जैसे हाथ कोई ऊपर नहीं करेगा. जो ऐसे हाथ ऊपर करेगा मैं उसको वैसे भी नहीं कुछ पूछूंगा. I hope I am very clear. I am saying nobody will put their hands up. I still see Siddhant Jadhav from Vikroli, Jai Chavan from Ghatkopar putting their hands up. बेटा इंग्लिश में बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, हिंदी में भी बोलता हूँ. कोई हाथ ऊपर नहीं करेगा फिलहाल. सवाल सुनिए फिर हाथ ऊपर कीजिए. So I want to know, in case you are asked to transform the sentence from simple to compound, look at the formula on the screen and tell me what changes would you make. Raise your hands. Let's go with Sahil Gupta from DN Nagar. Yes, Mr. Sahil.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so Sahil, did you understand my question? अगर
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन सिंपल सेंटेंस में है और मुझे उसको कंपाउंड करना है तो व्हाट चेंजेस, क्या ऐड करना पड़ेगा, क्या रिमूव करना पड़ेगा,
Sir.
प्लीज टेल अस.
So we would add one more finite verb and a coordinator.
Very simple answer and that's absolutely correct. Sahil, thank you so much. Please mute yourself. So Sahil ने अगर आपने देखा तो यार बहुत ही एक सिंपल सा कॉमन सेंस लगा के मेरे को आंसर दिया. He looked at the formula. He said, sir, simple में 1 finite verb and compound में 2 finite verbs. So sir, we'll need 1 more finite verb. And also we don't have a coordinator in simple sentence, so we will need a coordinator as well. तो वो compound हो जाएगा. Okay, simple है. चलिए आगे बढ़ेंगे. My next question to you, putting all your hands down. अगर मुझे compound से complex करना है, तो what changes would I have to make? Let's go with Sai Sawant from Takshila. Hi Sai.
Hi, sir.
Yes Sai. Tell me what changes will you make बेटा अगर हमको compound से complex करना है?
So first we'll remove the coordinator and add subordinator.
Okay. Is that the only change you will make?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why won't you change the finite verbs?
So because in both we need 2 finite verbs and it is there.
That's a very good answer, Sai. That's a very good answer.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you so much. So guys,
Yes,
do you
welcome.
see what these people are doing यार? अभी जैसे कि जो हमको पहले जिसने आंसर दिया DN नगर से थे साहिल, अभी साई ने आंसर दिया, दे जस्ट अप्लाइड देयर कॉमन सेंस। उन्होंने सीधा सीधा मैथमेटिक्स आई थिंक थोड़ा यूज किया दोनों ने। अगर अभी आप देखो तो टू फाइनाइट वर्ब्स प्लस कोऑर्डिनेटर, टू फाइनाइट वर्ब्स प्लस सबऑर्डिनेटर, दोनों में कॉमन क्या है? टू फाइनाइट वर्ब। सो आई डोंट नीड अनदर फाइनाइट वर्ब, सो दैट पार्ट इज सॉर्टेड। आई नीड जस्ट वन वर्ड, तो मैंने कोऑर्डिनेटर को हटा दिया और मैंने सबऑर्डिनेटर को ऐड कर दिया, एंड माय आंसर इज complex. My next question, what changes will I have to make if I have to convert a sentence from complex to simple? Raise your hands. Okay. अभी कौन से सेंटर से किसी ने जवाब नहीं दिया है? आई थिंक साईधाम से किसी ने नहीं दिया, तो लेट अस गो विथ आर्या शिंदे फ्रॉम साईधाम। हाय आर्या।
Hi.
आर्या, कैन यू हियर मी?
Yes, I can hear you.
ऑलराइट आर्या। आर्या, टेल मी, क्या करेंगे अगर हमको कॉम्प्लेक्स से सिंपल करना है तो?
So we need one finite verb and subordinator.
ओके, बट आई हैव सिंपल में तो खाली वन फाइनाइट वर्ब भी चाहिए ना मेरे को।
Yeah, sir.
कॉम्प्लेक्स से सिंपल करना है तो व्हाट चेंजेस विल आई हैव टू मेक? कोई बात नहीं, आप फॉर्मूला देखो सामने, आराम से आपको इजीली समझ जाएगा। कॉमन सेंस लगाना है बेटा।
So we need one finite verb and subordinator, na?
बट व्हाई डू यू नीड अ सबऑर्डिनेटर? सिंपल टेंस में, सिंपल वाले सेंटेंस में सबऑर्डिनेटर का जरूरत ही नहीं है अपने को। समझ रहा बेटा आर्या?
Yes, sir.
सुनो सुनो, मैं अब आप सुनो, ठीक है? अभी देखो, मेरे पास कॉम्प्लेक्स में कितना फाइनाइट वर्ब्स है?
Two finite verbs.
बराबर। और सबऑर्डिनेटर कितना है? एक है।
एक है।
अच्छा, अगर मुझे इसको सिंपल करना है तो मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट क्या है? देखो पहले सिंपल के लिए व्हाट इज माय रिक्वायरमेंट?
One finite verb.
बराबर। सो कैन आई से आई हैव वन एक्स्ट्रा फाइनाइट वर्ब?
Yes.
बराबर। तो अभी एक जो एक्स्ट्रा फाइनाइट वर्ब है उसको मैं कैसे हटा सकता हूँ, उसका आपको मैं तरीका सुनाता हूँ, ठीक है? सो वन वे दैट वी कैन रिमूव वन फाइनाइट वर्ब इज बाय सिंपली डिलीटिंग दैट फाइनाइट वर्ब। समझ रहा आ रहा?
No, sir.
देखो, अगर सेंटेंस में दो फाइनाइट वर्ब है और अगर मैंने एक को डिलीट कर दिया तो कितने बचेंगे?
One.
हाँ, तो ये एक तरीके से मैं सिंपल सिंपल सेंटेंस बना सकता हूँ, राइट?
Yes.
अच्छा, दूसरा तरीका मालूम है क्या आ रहा है? दैट वी कैन मेक वन फाइनाइट वर्ब और नॉन फाइनाइट वर्ब। जैसे कि उसको आईएनजी लगा देंगे या उसको आगे टू लगा देंगे तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली नॉन फाइनाइट हो जाएगा। तो मेरे सेंटेंस में कितना फाइनाइट वर्ब बचेगा? एक।
एक।
समझ रहा है?
Okay.
समझा ना आर्या?
हाँ हाँ sir.
ओके, थैंक यू सो मच आर्या।
Welcome, sir.
And because of Arya, Sai and Sahil, I'm sure everyone has understood what I'm trying to say, right? सबको समझ में आया शायद ये, okay? Jay Chavan has a doubt. Jay Chavan, better raise your hands, I will unmute you. हाथ ऊपर करो जय, मैं आपको अनम्यूट करूंगा। Yes जय।
Hello, sir.
हाँ जय, बोलो।
Sir, I have a doubt. Because of some internet issue, I didn't understand third one and three question that you asked.
Okay, Jay, for that I will request you to please visit the recording lecture. Okay, बाकी ये जो तीनों जो मैंने समझा है वो मैं आगे भी दूसरे सेंटेंसेस में करवाऊंगा, तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा वैसे, डू नॉट वरी। ओके, फिर भी ना समझ में आए तो प्लीज एक बार रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स देख लेना। फिर भी डाउट हो तो आस्क योर सेंटर हेड टू कांटेक्ट मी।
Okay, sir.
या थैंक यू सो मच जय। Okay, I request everyone to write whatever they see on the screen. जल्दी से लिख लीजिए और फिर अपना हाथ ऊपर कर दीजिएगा, so that I understand that you people are done. Anybody who has a doubt can post their doubts in the chat. जिसको भी डाउट है प्लीज चैट में डाल के रखें. Okay, I see almost 46 people are done. People are still asking me where to message after mentioning so many times. You have to message on the Adyan Tutorials profile. Zoya says she has gerunds, participles, and infinitives. Students, I think when you were doing non-finite verbs, you were done with gerunds, participles, and infinitive, weren't you? Participles, infinitive, gerunds पढ़ाया था कि नहीं आप लोग को non-finite verbs कराया तभी? I think Rajvi ma'am had done it. Aryan Shetty, I request you to just wait. I have read your doubt. I will answer. मैं यहाँ कुछ और बात कर रहा हूँ. Please मुझे करने दीजिए. Okay, if it is not done, then I will get it done. Do not worry. We will do it. Okay. Now, students, let me tell you. Now there are certain people who have a doubt कि सर subordinator क्या होता है, coordinator क्या होता है. तो चलो अभी एक इसके लिए एक चीज समझेंगे. ध्यान से सुनना मेरा बात. Okay? Be very attentive to what I'm saying. Now nobody messages me. Nobody messages me, please. Nobody messages me. ठीक है, अभी सुनिए मेरा बात ध्यान से. तो conjunctions are of two types. They are coordinating conjunction and they are subordinating conjunction. Coordinating अच्छा conjunctions तो हम सब जानते हैं. Conjunction is a word that joins two sentences and makes it one. तो coordinating conjunction वो conjunction होता है guys जो दो independent sentences को एक करता है और एक बना देता है. Independent sentence मतलब क्या? वो sentences जो दूसरे sentence पर dependent नहीं है meaningful बनने के लिए. At the same time, subordinating conjunction वो होता है जो incomplete meaning वाले sentences को जोड़ता है. Okay, तो अगर आप observe करें, when I say Abhijit called Daya, तो Abhijit called Daya is a complete sentence on its own. And when I say Daya came in his car, even Daya came in his car is a complete sentence on its own. But a conjunction that joins these two independent sentences is a coordinator. And जो नीचे का sentence है वहां पे आप देखोगे कि एक part जो है वो sense बना रहा है अकेले और दूसरा part नहीं बना रहा है. So whenever you join such sentences which are dependent on each other to make complete sense, we use a subordinating conjunction. I hope I am very clear with this. I hope I'm absolutely clear with what I've just said. Okay, everyone, we will move on. जो ये लिख पाए हैं great, जो नहीं लिख पाए हैं वो जब लेक्चर देखेंगे तब वापस एक बार देख लीजिएगा. Okay, now ये जो part है nobody will write. Okay, nobody will write this part now. Because this part is your homework. You will receive the lecture links by evening. And once you receive the lecture link, your homework is to go to the lecture and write everything that you see in this particular part. Okay, everybody? So, अभी कोई नहीं लिखेगा, अभी हम सिर्फ समझेंगे. And people who haven't understood yet, you will understand this when we do the table. If you still don't understand, you have the advantage of revisiting the link and revisiting the lecture, the recorded lecture, and that will surely help you. Okay. Now students, we will see how does the synthesis take place. Synthesis यानी कि ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कैसे होता है एक सिंपल कंपाउंड या कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस का. बट इसमें भी 4 टाइप के सेंटेंसेस होते हैं. द फर्स्ट वन इज टाइम रिलेटेड. टाइम रिलेटेड यानी वो सेंटेंस जिसमें एक एक्शन के बाद दूसरी एक्शन हुई है, where 2 actions have happened one after the other. Okay, so in this sentence, the first one, I dreamed of SRK, K Joe slapped me. I dreamed of SRK, K Joe slapped me. I want you people to tell me in the chat, tell me what are the 2 finite verbs? What are the 2 finite verbs? Quickly. Yes, the 2 finite verbs are dreamed and slapped. Dreamed and slapped. Now my next question. अगर मुझे ये 2 sentences को simple करना है, how many finite verbs do I need to make a sentence simple? Just 1 finite verb, right? But how many finite verbs do I have? I have 2. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे, dreamed और slapped में से किसी भी एक finite verb को ing लगाकर we'll add ing and we will make it non-finite. Okay, so what do you think can the answer be for this question? Slapped या dreamed में से किसी भी एक verb को अगर हम ing लगा देंगे तो आंसर क्या बनता है? आर्यन फ्रॉम DN नगर, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. मुझे पूरा आंसर चाहिए. मृणाल वाघ, योर आंसर इज अ लिटिल इनकरेक्ट. रिद्धि फ्रॉम घाटकोपर, योर आंसर इज करेक्ट. ओके, और यहाँ पर बेटा कीनान फर्नांडिस, we are not talking about tenses. Okay, we are talking about simple compound complex. आपने लिखा है past continuous tense. Simple compound complex has got nothing to do with tenses. Okay, so your answer is going to be on dreaming of SRK, Karan Johar slapped me, or after dreaming of SRK, Karan Johar slapped me, or dreaming of SRK, Karan Johar slapped me. हर्षित पटेल फ्रॉम घाटकोपर, बेटा आपने एंड ऐड किया है. आपको मैंने अभी अभी फॉर्मूला लिखा है बेटा, बिना देखे आप बोल रहे हो लिखा है. फिर भी आपको मैंने उसमें लिखाया हुआ है कि एंड कोऑर्डिनेटर है. सिंपल सेंटेंस में आपको कोऑर्डिनेटर चाहिए होता है क्या बेटा? हर्षित पटेल, तो फिर थोड़ा देख के लिखो ना, थोड़ा देखो. नहीं तो इतना सब मेहनत करके क्या मतलब है आपको और मेरा, जब आप देख ही नहीं रहे हो, बिना देखे बोल रहे हो. So you can also start with simply dreaming of SRK, Karan Johar slapped me. ठीक है. Now to make this sentence compound, what is my requirement for compound sentence? जल्दी से बोलो everyone. क्या चाहिए मेरे को? What is my requirement? Formula देख के बोलो. Compound sentence के लिए क्या चाहिए? 2 finite verbs and coordinator. So to add a coordinator in time related sentence, we can use a coordinator called and. Okay, हम and को use कर सकते हैं, हम and को use कर सकते हैं हमारे sentence में. Okay, just a second everyone. Yes, so please tell me the answer. 2 finite verbs and a coordinator. Yes, a lot of people have given me the right answer. The answer is I dreamed of SRK and Karan Johar slapped me. That is the correct answer. Okay, to make this complex, tell me my requirements for a complex sentence. Complex sentence के लिए मेरे requirements क्या everyone? What is my requirement? Yes, 2 finite verbs and a subordinator. Now I already have 2 finite verbs. Dreamed and slapped मेरे पास दोनों finite verbs already है. मुझे सिर्फ coordinator को निकालना है और subordinator को add करना है. और time related में the subordinator that you can use is going to be WH words, preferably when or after. तो क्या आंसर बनेगा when और after में? Yes, when I dreamed of SRK, K Joe slapped me. और after I dreamt of SRK, K जो slapped me, that is going to be your answer. Am I absolutely clear, everyone? Am I absolutely clear? समझ में आया है सब लोगों को? समझ में आया क्या? Perfectly understood. Okay, great. हर्षित SRK मतलब शिवरामकृष्णन. SRK शिवरामकृष्णन. All right. Now, what kind of sentences do we have next? I said, if you remember, I said we have 4 types of sentences. बराबर. तो यार मैंने आपको एक तो बता दिया. चलिए और एक देखते हैं. The next type of sentence that you could have are going to be sentences with opposite ideas. Sentences with opposite ideas. यानी एक ही sentence में दो opposite ideas. For example, Mr. Bean is silent. He is expressive. Mr. Bean is silent. He is expressive. Okay. Now, in this sentence, tell me the 2 finite verbs. 2 finite verbs क्या है? Okay, by the way, if someone wants to try and answer this section, you can raise your hands and I will allow you to answer. Okay. Let's go with Ville parle. Ville parle. Eep Chotalia. Who's Eep Chotalia? Eep Chotalia. चलो ईप जो है उनको बहुत शर्म आ रही है आंसर देने में, तो हम जाएंगे किसी और के पास. We will go with Tanishka from Ghatkopar. Yes, Tanishka.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Tanishka, what are the 2 finite verbs?
Silent and expressive.
मेरे को लगा था silent और expressive adjective है.
No, sir. Sir, that one.
क्या लगता है silent और expressive क्या adjective है क्या verb है?
Sir, is.
हाँ, क्योंकि silent and expressive are adjective. So is दोनों भी sentence में is है बेटा बराबर.
Yes, sir.
तो मेरे दोनों finite verbs is हो गए.
Yes, sir.
Now, what is my requirement in a simple sentence?
Only one finite verb.
बराबर, but I have 2 finite verbs.
Yes, sir.
तो दोनों में से किसी को नॉन फाइनाइट करने के लिए मैं ing लगा सकता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
तो इसका ing क्या हो जाएगा? इसिंग.
No, sir.
क्या होगा? क्या होगा बेटा? ing form of is. Now I want everyone to listen to me. हाँ बेटा बोलो ना.
Mr. Bean is silent as well as expressive.
No. चलो ठीक है, सुनो मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है, आप म्यूट मत करना, आप अनम्यूट ही रहिए और सुनिए मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ. ठीक है. Okay, everyone, now listen to me. Is, am, are, was, were. Okay, is, am, are, was, were का ing फॉर्म होता है being, being. Is, am, are, was, were का ing फॉर्म होता है being. अभी ये दोनों जो is हैं इनमें से किसी एक इसको मुझे being करना पड़ेगा. And because this is opposite ideas, I'll have to begin my sentence with in spite of. So beta, now can you tell me answer क्या होएगा?
In spite of being silent, he's expressive.
ही कौन है?
Mr. Bean. In
हाँ,
spite of being silent, Mr. Bean is expressive.
Very good, very good. In spite of being silent, Mr. Bean is expressive. That is the correct answer. Thank you so much, beta. Please mute yourself. Okay, now tell me who wants to try the compound sentence for this one. Saransh Rathod from Vikhroli.
Yes, sir.
सारांश क्या तेरे से बहुत सारा बात करने का था मेरे को यार, मालूम है ना क्यों?
Yes, sir.
क्या बोलता है, वापस से होएगा क्या फिर वैसे सब?
No, sir.
ओके चल, टेल मी बेटा, अभी देख, टू मेक दिस कंपाउंड टेल मी सारांश व्हाट आर माय रिक्वायरमेंट्स?
And
बेटा एंड तो टाइम
sorry.
लिमिटेड के लिए आता है ना,
Yes.
मेरे को रिक्वायरमेंट तो बता फॉर्मूला देखकर।
Yes, sir. 2 finite verbs and coordinator.
बराबर। सो डू आई हैव माय 2 फाइनाइट वर्ब्स? 2 इज है मेरे पास, बराबर।
Yes.
अब मुझे खाली कोऑर्डिनेटर चाहिए।
Yes.
Now remember सारांश that whenever you have an opposite idea sentence जिसको आपको compound करना है, तो you can use a coordinator, rather you can use coordinators like but, yet, still, however, इनमें से कोई भी एक। चल तेरे को मैं बोलता हूँ use but and tell me the sentence.
Mr. Bean is silent, but he is expressive.
That is absolutely perfect सारांश। अच्छा use yet and tell me the answer.
Mr. Bean is silent, yet he is expressive.
Very good। अच्छा still use करके बताओ।
Mr. Bean is silent, still he is expressive.
And however से?
Mr. Bean is silent, however he is expressive.
Saransh, that is good answering. Thank you so much. And do not be naughty the next time, okay?
Okay.
Bye. Thank you. Good answering. All right. So that was Saransh, and he gave us correct answer. Now, who wants to try complex? Raise your hands. There is Man from DN Nagar. अरे कहाँ गया मन? गायब हो गया। चलो, we'll go with Arman Mehta from DN Nagar. Mr. Arman.
हेलो सर।
हेलो अरमान, कैसा है?
ठीक हो सर, आप कैसे हैं सर?
मैं मस्त हूँ बेटा। चल मेरे को बता अभी, टेल मी द रिक्वायरमेंट फॉर अ कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस।
2 finite verbs and 2 finite verbs plus subordinator.
Okay, what are my 2 finite verbs in the sentence?
Is.
बराबर। Now what do you think, opposite ideas के लिए कौन सा कंजंक्शन हम यूज कर सकते हैं? स्क्रीन पे देख ले।
Though, although.
बराबर। अब मुझे आंसर बता बेटा, क्या आंसर बनेगा?
Though Mr. Bean is silent, he is expressive.
Very good. Try with although.
Although Mr. Bean is silent, he is expressive.
Try with even though.
Even though Mr. Bean is silent, he is expressive.
And that is correct answer. Thank you so much Arman.
Welcome sir.
ओके सो याद रखना एवरीवन, कभी भी अगर आपको सेंटेंस ऑपोजिट आइडियाज है तो आपका सिंपल सेंटेंस में इन स्पाइट ऑफ प्लस आईएनजी आएगा, आपके कंपाउंड सेंटेंस में बट येट स्टिल हाउएवर आएगा, और आपके कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस का सबऑर्डिनेटर होगा दो ऑल्दो इवन दो। ओके, द नेक्स्ट टाइप ऑफ सेंटेंस इज सेंटेंस विद कंडीशन। डू योर वर्क, you will be punished. Raise your hands if you want to try this one. Let us go with Yash from Takshila. Hi Yash.
Hi. Yes, sir.
Yeah, Yash, tell me what are the 2 finite verbs that you see?
Sir, punished and do.
Perfect. बेटा punish नहीं है, खाली will be punished साथ में आएगा, ठीक है?
Yes,
Will
sir.
be punished is 1 and do is 1. Very good. अच्छा, now tell me what is my requirement for a simple sentence?
Sir, 1 finite verb.
But I have 2 finite verbs.
Yes, sir.
तो दोनों में से अगर मैंने किसी एक को ing लगाया तो do को ing लगाऊंगा तो क्या बनेगा?
Sir, being.
नहीं बट do का ing क्या बनेगा बेटा?
Sir, doing.
हाँ बराबर। पर क्योंकि ये सेंटेंस कंडीशन वाला है कि अगर तूने होमवर्क नहीं किया तो पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, तो कंडीशन वाले सेंटेंस में अगर सिंपल बनाना है तो वी स्टार्ट द सेंटेंस विद विदाउट। सो नाउ टेल
Yes,
मी
sir.
यश, इसका आंसर क्या रहेगा?
Sir, without doing your homework or you will be punished.
और नहीं आएगा बेटा, और नहीं डालेंगे हम, खाली
Yes.
विदाउट डूइंग योर होमवर्क यू विल बी पनिश्ड। दैट इज
Yes.
गुड आंसर। थैंक यू सो मच यश। चलिए आप म्यूट कर लीजिए। टेल मी हु वांट्स टू आंसर कंपाउंड सेंटेंस। कंपाउंड सेंटेंस यार मेरा ऑब्जर्वेशन बोलता है देवी दयाल से कोई और आंसर करता ही नहीं है, खाली हनी तोलानी का ही आंसर आता है। चलिए लेट अस गो विथ विक्रोली कीर्ति गुप्ता। यस कीर्ति। कीर्ति कैन यू हियर मी कीर्ति? चलिए कीर्ति का आवाज नहीं आ रहा है तो हम जाएंगे सुधांशु फ्रॉम साइधाम। Sudhanshu from Saidham.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sudhanshu, tell me what are my requirements for a compound sentence?
Two finite verb and a coordinator.
Okay, so what are my two finite verbs in the sentence?
Do and punish. Will be punished.
Very good. यानी कि आप बहुत attentive थे क्लास में. Good job. अच्छा अभी you can use a coordinator or over here. अगर आपका sentence conditional है तो आप और use कर सकते हैं. अब मुझे आंसर बताइए.
Do your homework or you will be punished.
Yes, that is the correct answer. Thank you so much, Sudhanshu. Okay, now we will go with. अच्छा अब मुझे complex कौन कौन किसको बताना है complex? कॉम्प्लेक्स बताने के लिए हमारे साथ हैं निधि सावंत फ्रॉम विक्रोली।
Hello, sir.
हाय निधि।
Yes, sir.
अच्छा निधि, टेल मी माय रिक्वायरमेंट्स फॉर कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस।
Two finite verbs and a
हाँ,
subordinator.
वेरी गुड। सो आई ऑलरेडी हैव माय टू फाइनाइट वर्ब्स, राइट?
Yes.
सो आई कैन यूज इफ और अनलेस। कंडीशन वाला सेंटेंस आया तो वी कैन यूज इफ और अनलेस। ओके, सो बिगिन द सेंटेंस विद इफ।
If you do your homework,
यस।
you will be no. Unless you do your homework, you will be punished.
हाँ, दैट इज करेक्ट। अनलेस यू डू होमवर्क यू विल बी पनिश्ड। बट इफ से भी बेटा आ सकता है आंसर, ट्राई तो कीजिए। सेंटेंस का मतलब
If
क्या है
you,
मुझे हिंदी में बताइए।
if you do your homework,
हाँ,
you will be punished. If you do your homework, you will be punished.
बेटा सेंटेंस का मीनिंग क्या है? सेंटेंस का मतलब ऐसा है कि अगर होमवर्क नहीं किया तो पनिशमेंट मिलेगा, होमवर्क किया तो पनिशमेंट नहीं मिलेगा।
Yes.
सो इफ यू डू योर होमवर्क यू विल नॉट बी पनिश्ड।
If you do your homework, you will not be punished, right?
समझा क्या?
Hmm.
एंड इफ यू से इफ यू डू नॉट डू योर होमवर्क यू विल बी पनिश्ड,
Yes.
राइट? तो मीनिंग सेम रखना बेटा, इतना याद रखना। एंड देन इफ यू से अनलेस यू फिनिश योर होमवर्क यू विल बी पनिश्ड, यानी कि जब तक होमवर्क नहीं करोगे पनिशमेंट मिलेगा। ओके, थैंक यू सो मच बेटा।
Yes, sir.
All right. Let us go with the last type for the day. That is the reason I was late. I couldn't catch the train. Joldi, joldi. Tell me who wishes to answer this one. यार जेबी नगर से किसी का हाथ ही ऊपर नहीं आया आज। I see some people who put their hands up, but उन्होंने सेंटर नेम नहीं लिखा है, तो मैं आपको चांस नहीं दे सकता। I am waiting for someone from जेबी नगर यार। जेबी नगर, देवी दयाल, these two. I have देवी दयाल से निहारिका। Hi Niharika.
Hi, sir.
Okay, Niharika, I want you to make this sentence simple.
Okay, sir.
So tell me, what are the finite verbs that you see, by the way?
So was and couldn't.
Very good. To make this simple, I need just one finite verb, right?
So can you repeat the question?
I said to make this simple, I need just one finite verb, right?
Yes, sir.
So अब मेरे पास दो हैं, तो was का ing फॉर्म याद है? बताया था मैंने अभी। am is our was verb का ing फॉर्म बताया था मैंने। Do you remember?
No, sir.
am is our was verb का ing फॉर्म होता है being. So begin the sentence with being.
Being late, I couldn't catch the train.
Being late, I couldn't catch the train, and that is the correct answer. Niharika, थोड़ा ध्यान दो बेटा, मैंने बताया
Yes,
था
sir.
पहले।
Actually, I got disturbed in between.
Okay, no problem. चलिए, thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Bye, Harshit Patil. Thank you so much, beta. वैसे भी चलिए, raise your hands if you want to give me the compound का answer. Nobody from JP Nagar is putting the hands up. Nobody. I want the center staff of JP Nagar to note this. Nobody from JP Nagar is answering. That is absolutely not likable. Yashika Pujari from DN Nagar. Hi, Yashika.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Yashika, tell me, what do I need for a compound sentence?
2 finite verbs and 1 coordinator.
Right. Extremely sorry. So the coordinator that you can use here is so. So tell me the answer.
I was late, so I couldn't catch the train.
That is absolutely simple and perfect. Thank you so much, Yashika.
Thank you, sir.
All right. And now we go with... Okay, I have Duncan from JB Nagar. Hi, Duncan.
Hello, sir.
How are your donuts?
I'm fine, sir.
I said, how are your donuts?
Good, sir.
Those are Dunkin' Donuts. All right. Chale, Duncan, tell me, beta, my requirement for complex sentence?
2 finite verbs and 1 subordinate.
That's great. That's great. Do I already have my 2 finite verbs?
Yes.
All right. What are those 2 finite verbs?
Was
and couldn't.
And couldn't.
Right. Now, if your sentence is based on reason, your subordinator that you can use could be either as, since, or because. Okay? So begin the sentence with as, Duncan.
As I was late, I couldn't catch the train.
Okay. Use since.
Since I was late, I couldn't catch the train.
Use because.
Because I was late, I couldn't catch the train.
That's wrong, because you cannot start a sentence with because.
I couldn't catch a train because I was late.
That is absolutely perfect. That is absolutely perfect, Duncan. Thank you so much, buddy. I'm glad someone finally from JB Nagar has answered. I'm glad. Okay. So guys, this is your table for synthesis of sentences. And this is going to be your homework. You have to write the table. Okay. Visit the lecture and write the table. And we are done for the day.